Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roxanne. I am a makeup artist, and in today's video we will be doing a haul for hair products. So I bought a lot of products and it is from Kevin Murphy, Australia. 2 bags because you know damn well I just dyed my hair, and if you want to see the video it's going to be in the description box below and here as well. Dyed my hair for the first time and I want to take care of my hair as much as possible just to make sure that everything stays really nice and then healthy, you know, because I have to keep my hair healthy. So if you want to know what I bought and everything about Kevin Murphy, then keep on watching and don't forget to like, comment down below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to see more of those awesome videos. So let's get into it right away and let's get excited about hair products. All right, hello. What do you think of this little turtleneck that is dark? It's like a black turtleneck, so cute. It gives such of like an extra look with this eye look. By the way, if you want to see this, it's going to be right up here and down below. This is a makeup look that might be the newest trends of 2020. So those mismatched eye color are so bomb. It fits with my eye. I think the hair just gives a nice little touch to it and it gives character to the look. I am really happy that I cut my hair, honestly. I was tired of my 33 inches hair. It was way too long, always knotty, and it was boring. So now I just decided to color my hair and I went with a like platinum silver blonde. For the bottom, they didn't do everything silver. They did like kind of like a reverse balayage. That's what they said to me, and it just looks nice. So now all the products that I bought are in these two little bags. Obviously Kevin Murphy, I didn't really know about him until I walked into the salon. Kevin Murphy is an Australian hairstylist. He did a lot of celebrities on fashion shows and everything. So I was like, wow, this is like such a prestigious hairstylist and I've never heard about it. So he has a hairline that was supposed to be skincare line before, but he used the same concept to create a hairline. So everything is natural. So I'm gonna read a little bit because I don't know how to say it properly. So is Kevin Murphy all natural? In sourcing ingredients, Kevin Murphy used micro cultivation, organic growing practices, or ecologically sound wild harvesting techniques to ensure the range is the very highest natural quality. All Kevin Murphy hair products are sulfur-free, paraben-free, and cruelty-free. So that is really nice. I am excited to be playing with those products. For now, I just dyed my hair not too long ago, so I'm trying to wash my hair the least possible. But I do have treatments, I do have styling products because I want to style my hair. I want to learn how to style my hair because I never really styled my hair before. Like, can you believe it? My hair was so long I couldn't do anything. It would be like French braids and that's it, okay? Like boring as hell. So let's get into the products. And obviously, when you buy them in the salon, they are way cheaper than if you go online on Amazon, on Walmart, or anything. So I got a really, really good deal out of these products. So the first thing that I bought is obviously the Blond Angel. So textured blonde. So this box. And there is 3 products in this box. So it is Get Bright, Sassy, and Textured Hair with this iconic trio. Blonde Angel Wash, Blonde Angel, and Powder Puff will take your hair to new heights. Everything you need to get noticed this holiday season. So there is the wash, there is the conditioning treatment, and there is a texturizing powder in this box. So let me get this out. I like the packaging too. So I like to keep the boxes too because they're cute. So first of all, there is the color enhancing shampoo for blonde hair. You know, I do need a purple shampoo if I want my hair to stay really nice and healthy. So this packaging is made from recycled plastic found in ocean water. So ocean waste packaging, like most of them are going to be having some OW OWP on the packaging, to tell you that they use recycled plastic. So the next one is color enhancing treatment for blonde hair. That is the conditioner. It's a conditioner but a treatment at the same time. And then there is the powder puff volumizing powder. So this I'm gonna need because, as you can see, I don't have no volume whatsoever on my hair. Now it's not too bad because my hair is like short, but before it was just so flat on my head, it was terrible. So that is the first 3 products. And then I got regular shampoo as well. And those are small bottles. They are 250 milliliters, but that will last me apparently like, all the products are gonna last me a year, just because we have to portion the amount, and usually when you use shampoo, you are using way too much. So the next thing that I got is Shimmer Time soap from Kevin Murphy as well. This is another box, and this will be my regular shampoo, so I have to alternate between those two. Nice cute box too. So there's the Repair Me Wash, Repair Me Rinse, and Shimmer Shine. There's always an extra product in it. So the first box came with a powder puff in extra, and this one is the shiny repairing shine mist. So okay, so let's start with the shampoo. So it is the Repair Me Wash Reconstructing Strengthening Shampoo. It is in this blue bottle. And you are supposed apparently to use only 1 cap, barely. So this will last pretty long. If I wash my hair every 3-4 days, which I plan to because the color is going to wash off after a few washes, I'd rather use dry shampoo in between and to make sure that I don't wash up the color. So Repair Me Rinse Reconstructing Straightening Conditioner. So this one too. And also I have really thin hair. Fine, it's not thin, it's fine. So I need like something that will keep my hair together, because now that I bleached it, it's gonna be weaker, and you don't know, like the Also I got the Shimmer Shine Repairing Shine Mist Twirl Me Before Use. So that is before, it looks like nothing, but then you shake it and then it becomes so shiny. You put that on your hair, it's gonna become like shiny and nice and like all cute. Like, this is like, of course I want to put this in my hair, okay? It's gonna make my hair so shiny and nice and smooth. Alright, so now after this, because there's more products, okay? Like, I want to style my hair, so everything else will be helping me to style my hair and to protect it as well. I kind of went overboard a tiny bit, just because I never really bought nice hair products, and I wanted to treat myself also for having 100 subscribers. So thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I post 5 videos a week, like I told you. I really love you beauties, and I want to grow my family and doing live stream and doing a lot more with you beauties. So let's continue. Also, so what I got is the Heated Defense Leave-In Heat Protection for your hair. So this is something that will help protect my hairs for when I style it, and also when I blow dry it, you know, because I don't want to damage my hair. I never blow dry my hair. I never used an iron before. So my hair was completely healthy. It was too healthy to even style it. But I will have a little trick that I'll show you if ever you have thin hair like me. It's going to be a little secret that I learned at the salon. And I want it to be out there. So I'm going to share it with you guys in another video. Okay, so next thing is Smooth Again Anti-Freeze Treatment Style Control. Obviously, when you are doing your hair, you always want to put more moisturizing products, since it's bleached, and you need to put something that will help deep condition your hair even during the day. So this one is smooth again. And I will be putting this on my hair and styling it. Also, I will have a video showing you the entire routine, one for the treatment and one for the regular as well. So because I really want you to understand how to style your hair properly if you are thinking of bleaching your hair or if you're thinking to put color in it, because even with color it is important to take care of your hair. And then there are 2 products left. I have this one, which is extremely important. Untangle. So it is a leave-in conditioner, Detangler. So this one, I think it's important just because, you know, you don't want to pass the brush and it just breaks your hair apart. So this one is a truly important one. You can buy any one you want, but this is like really organic and natural, and I think it's important. If you pay for an amount of money for your haircut, you still want to protect your hair the best way possible with nice products. These products are going to last me way longer because when they are cheap products, you will need more to make it work, or it's just going to not work at all. So you're going to spend a lot of money. So try, even Brand Mondo says it is best to buy salon products than to waste your money on products that don't work. Of course, there are nice products at the drugstore, like dry shampoo, for example, but there are a lot more that you can have with salon and a lot more benefits to your hair as well. So hair is like skin, so take care of it. And then if I want to have beach waves, it is a beach look hairspray. So this will help my hair to stay wavy and nice. And it's just gonna be so nice and it's gonna smell good. Also, the products smell really good. Okay, you really have to smell it. You can't smell it through the screen, but honestly, it is the best thing ever. Okay, like the smell is just so amazing. So those are all the products that I bought. Honestly, I am really happy with it. I feel like skincare is gonna be the best. I bought a lot of cheap products and they don't work the best, honestly. I still have to find like natural, good, like products. Like The Ordinary is cheap, but it goes really well with the skin. It's just, it's ingredient concentrated and there is no filler whatsoever. So you buy for the products. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna be listing down below the website of Kevin Murphy. Oops. The website of Kevin Murphy. So it is right here, kevinmurphy.com.au, because he is Australian. So those are amazing products. They really firmly believe in those products, even in the salon. Even the hairdresser was like, there are only 2 like lines that are really loved throughout my entire career, and these ones and like another one that I don't remember, but these ones, like he was doing my hair and everything and it was so nice, so silky, so soft. And even now it's been like, I didn't wash my hair in like 3-4 days, and look, it's still really good, and I don't have to wash my hair right now. Like I can go another day maybe and put some dry shampoo and it's still gonna be nice, because you want to avoid as much as possible washing your hair, like I said earlier. So this was the little haul that I did, and I hope that you enjoyed it. I mean, I am excited to use all those products and have fun and just pamper my hair, because I've been pampering my skin, all right? But pampering my hair is just another story, and just feeling extremely beautiful. Like putting makeup is making me feel beautiful, but then doing my hair is just gonna enhance everything else. And sometimes you don't feel like putting makeup, or you put just a tiny bit, and then you're like, okay, I'm just gonna put my hair and put those products and just feel good and feel fabulous. So again, my hair, I did it at Salon Rouge, Ottawa. Everything's gonna be listed down below. You can go check it out and go to the salon if you are in the Ottawa or Gatineau area. He is extremely amazing. Amir is amazing. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment down below, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to see more of those awesome videos. So I post 5 videos a week, Monday through Friday at 9 AM Pacific Standard Time. So if ever you don't want to miss any video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. So I really, really love you, beauties, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, beauties.